This is Nate with StageRight, and this is the FR-2402 Fold and Roll Riser. The FR-2402 is perfect for any venue because it's safe, sturdy, easy to set up, and is available in a variety of heights and sizes. Steel tube construction provides optimal stability, and the black baked-on powder coat finish makes it scratch resistant so that it looks new for a longer period of time. The FR-2402 has a low center of gravity, so it rolls easily and the counterbalance aids in lifting. Because of this, setup is easy. To create a larger stage, connect multiple risers together using our unit-to-unit straps. The FR-2402 also accepts a variety of StageRight accessories, such as stairs, skirting, and more. When in storage, it locks into the folded position for added safety. Just imagine having this safe, secure, and easy-to-use riser in your facility. For more information, please contact us.